Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Now what he says to the believers, how we do jihad. In Surah Al-Ma'idah 5 and Ayah 35. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu attaqullah wabtaghu ilayhi al-wasilata wajahidu fi sabilihi la'allakum tuflihun. O you believe, take guard of Allah and seek the wasila, means towards Him. Wasila means means towards Him. And jahidu, and you strive in His way so that you may prosper. Now Allah is addressing to the believers. Why I am referring to now, this ayat is referring to the Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, O you who believe. Now remember, there is no ayat by saying Ya ayyuhal muslimin. No ayat in the Quran. It is believers. It is believers. Not just submit. Muslim means to submit. Believers means you believe. Believe means that you believe it's a fact, not faith. Faith which you don't have proof is faith in English. What I believe is means that you know for sure, you have got proof for it. So Allah is addressing those who say that who believe. He's addressing to us who are trying to say to the world, who are trying to say that I am a believer. I practice Allah's deen. You see the difference? So Muslim is submission, I submit. So Allah is addressing to the believers. And He's asking the believers that you seek the wasila or seek the means. For what? If I, to what? It says, وَابْتَغُوا إِلَيْهِ الْوَسِيلَةِ. To Allah you seek wasila. To Allah. How do I seek wasila to Allah? Can any person in the audience think and tell me that wasila means. How can I approach to Allah? How can I approach to Allah? How can I approach to Allah? Come on. Very good. Through the book. There is no other way that you can seek means except by the book. If I think that I am communicating with God in my own conjecture, that is something wrong with me. So there are many people in the whole world, in the various religions, and not only Muslim people, there are all kinds of people in the world. Even I met those people. They are people, they think that God speaks to them. And they speak on behalf of God today. That is sickness. So when Allah says in the ayat that 100% when He says, Ya ayyuhalladhina muttaqullah, O you who believe, take guard of Allah, it is Allah communicating to the believers. He is communicating us. And He said, وَابْتَغُوا إِلَيْهِ الْوَسِيلَةِ, and towards Him, towards Allah, seek the means. You have to seek the means to reach God. So I want to please God. I want to know what Allah expects out of me. And once you come to know that the means to reach God, what you do, وَجَاهِدُوا فِي سَبِيلِ, then you have to strive in His way, in Allah's way. What Allah has laid down the foundation in the ayahs, then I strive in His way. وَجَاهِدُوا فِي سَبِيلِ. So the first time you hear the word in the Arabic here, jahidu, our topic is we have to strive in His way. Does it sound to you kill somebody else? Jahidu fi sabili. You have to strive in His way. Does it sound to you that you have to kill somebody? No, you have to strive in His way to find, first of all, you have to find out what are the ways of Allah. What are the ways of Allah? So I explained to you in the beginning the do's and the don'ts, the governing ayahs, the muhkamat ayahs in the Quran. which you have to obey and follow, and there are certain things by which you have to forbid. So if you follow that, that is the way of Allah. That is the way of Allah. لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ, so that you may prosper. This is how we have to do. We have to prosper, and this is how the believers has to do. Now, next page, Surah Al-Ankabut, 29th Surah and Ayah 69. وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. And jahadu, those who strive in us, definitely we will guide them to our ways. And surely Allah is with those who do good. In this ayah, if you note, Allah says, those who strive in us, in Allah. Those who strive jihad in Allah, those who are striving in Allah, in jihad, doing jihad in Allah, He will guide to His ways. First ayat we read was to seek means to Allah. When we are seeking means to Allah, He will show us the way. In this ayah is also saying, وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا, and those who strive in Allah, who will do jihad in Allah. لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا, definitely we will guide them to our ways. So there are many ways to reach God. So, but you know what has happened by this concept of this ayah, that there are, it says, لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلَنَا, definitely we will guide them to our ways, in plural. We thought there is one straight path, Sirat-e-Mustaqim, straight path, but there are many ways, different ways, many ways. So what are those different ways? What are those ways? So people say, everybody in the whole world, whether you are a Jew, whether you are a Christian, whether you are a Buddhist, you are atheist, whatever, everybody is trying in his own way to reach God. That is Allah's ways. This is Allah's ways. He will definitely guide them to our ways, to Allah's ways. All these people are doing conjectures, these confusions in their minds, taking their own way, thinking that that is God's way. So Allah is not guiding them. They are being misguided. When Allah says, surely I will guide them to my ways, to Allah's ways, but they are in plural, mentioned in plural, meaning there were many do's. There is a list of do's and there is a list of don'ts. They are all different. They are all different. Like if I establish the salah, it's different one way. But that only one way will not take you to garden. Then other thing is charity. Then other thing is another do, another don't. So if you take up all, there are many doings that you have to do. Not only one that you're just keeping the salah with you. Oh, but I'm establishing the salah, Allah will take me to the garden. No. There are many ways. So you have to find out many do's, the governing ayahs. They are different altogether, but they are all one spirit. They may be different, but Allah's ways mention, Allah guides, which is in the Quranic ayahs. So those governing ayahs which have the do and the don'ts, they are all different, but in the ayahs they are not outside. So Allah will guide you to those ways. So every ayat is a way of Allah. Every ayat containing any do or containing any don't, that is the way of Allah. That is what Allah says, وَالَّذِينَ جَاهَدُوا فِينَا, and jahadu, those who strive in us means in Allah, لَنَهْدِيَنَّهُمْ سُبُلُنَا, definitely we will guide them to our ways. وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَمَعَ الْمُحْسِنِينَ, and surely Allah is with those who do good. So here we have understood that Allah will guide to many ways that are do's and the don'ts are in plural. So you have to follow all of them, not one do or one don't, many. So every ayat which is a governing ayat is a way of Allah that He is describing.
What do you say about killing which is going on in the world in the name of Islam? Is this a jihad? Can you clarify this?
Okay. You see, when I was referring to one of in my lectures, I refer in the end also I referred to Al-Furqan 25:52. Fala tutil kafirin. Do not obey the rejectors. Okay. Wajahidum bihi jihadan kabira. And strive with them. You strive with them who? Those who are rejecting. Those who reject, you strive with them with this, with the Quranic ayahs, the do's and the don'ts. That is the great jihad. Now, people who are doing war, killing each other, as referred to as jihad, basically nowhere in the Quran, the word I was in the beginning, I told you the war means harab. Harab means war. So there is not a single ayah in the Quran which is harab Allah. You know, in the way of Allah, you have wars. Not a single ayah. Jihad, we have read these ayahs, which means strive. And after reading the ayahs, we come to know that we have to strive our souls, our psyche, so that we get peace in this world and Jannah garden in the other side and good pleasures of Allah. But people who are doing jihad or striving, if you say wars in the name of Islam, then Allah said, do not obey them. Fala tutil kafin, they are rejecting. So do not obey the rejectors. And rejector I defined those who have listened to the ayahs, they understand the ayahs, and still they reject. So you have to do jihad with them. You have to strive with them. You have to educate them so that they change. The opinion about this, this is also a media propaganda also, that there is a holy war going on in the world. This is not true in the name of. But what they do is in Surah Al-Baqarah 2 and Ayat 11, وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمْ لَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ. When it is said to them, do not do fasad in the earth, do not do corruption in the earth. قَالُوا إِنَّمَا نَحْنُ مُسْلِمُونَ. They say we are doing corrections, we are doing Islah. Islam means correction. They are doing fasad. Because it creates fasad in the world by bloodshed. Because Allah does not need anybody's blood. Allah innamul mufsiduna walakin la yashrun. And they are the people who do corruption and they are not even aware of it. So people who are doing jihad in the Quran, it is against their own souls and against those people who are rejectors, who listen to the ayahs and still they don't practice, they don't do. So you do jihad with them, with the Quranic ayahs, with the governing ayahs, with the do's and the don'ts, educating them as you have done jihad to yourself. That is the right way of doing jihad.